Hey everybody, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you a foot massager that was sent to me and I am so excited to try it out and tell you about it. I actually need one of these because my feet, I've been complaining for about 2 months about my feet hurting, and I'm always on my feet all day long and cleaning and taking care of the kids, going for walks for my workout. And my feet, I'm telling you, I feel like I need new tennis shoes or something, and I'm always telling my husband, I need a massage. I need a foot massage. I'm always saying that. So when Terelax contacted me to do this review, I was very excited to jump on, and I have been using it for a couple of days now, and I've fallen in love. So if you know someone, like my mom, she said she wants one. If you know someone that could use one of these, this is a perfect Christmas gift. Definitely check out the link below. I'm going to give you a link for them, but first I want to show you all about it.
Before we get started, I would like to thank Terelax for sponsoring today's video. I found the best time to use this is when my kids are in bed or in school. I like to light a candle, sit back, and relax while enjoying a movie, a show, napping, or surfing the net. This has so many features. It massages your feet and also your calves. I also like to use this after my workouts. I do a lot of cardio, which can make my muscles in my legs and feet sore. Sometimes after my workout, I'll take a relaxing hot bath with Epsom salt, and to top it all off, a nice foot massage afterwards. The buttons on the massager are very simple. There's no complicated buttons. Everything is to the point. It offers 3 different modes depending on what kind of massage you would like. You can also change the direction, the speed, and set a timer as well. There's also an amazing feature that I've fallen in love with, and that is heating. But you can have the choice of having the heat on or off. It also has a remote. I love having a remote so I don't have to bend over and press the buttons to change anything. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the remote in just a little bit.
I am going to show you a little bit about the Terelax massager. This thing is incredible. It has 3 different modes. It even has heating, so you can choose to have heat or no heat. And you can also change the speed of it. You can set a timer, and you can change the direction of it. It also comes with this remote, and on the remote it has the on and off button, the heating button, manual. You can change the 3 different modes. The speed, you can go faster or you can go slower. You can have a timer on it. You can also change the directions all on this remote, so you don't have to bend down every time. Also, you can even do everything up here as well. So it has a time. That's how many minutes I have left. And if I want to increase the minutes, I can do that. I can change the speed. This is the on and off button. and I can turn it back on. I can put the heating on, and you'll see the heat come up on the screen. I can change the mode, and it just changes how it massages. And this is really good for blood circulation. My feet are sore a lot because I'm on them a lot. And you can change the directions up here. The only thing I don't see up here is the timer, which is totally fine because the timer's up here.
As I said before, this is not just for the feet, it's also for your calves. So if you are a runner, or if you are a walker, or you just are on your feet a lot, and you also get muscle tightness in your calves, then this is perfect for you. So after I massage my feet, I like to massage my calves, and I'll just sit back, and right here I am reading about the massager and just trying to educate myself as much as I can. And this was very relaxing, just sitting here while my husband filmed for me and educating myself on this massager and just using the remote, and it's very easy to learn. And it was so hard to not fall asleep because it felt so wonderful as this was massaging my calves, and I told my husband I could easily fall asleep.
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference, oh you make me strong. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within.
Thank you so much for watching this video, and I want to thank Terelax for sponsoring today's video. Definitely check out the link in the description box below. I'm telling you, this thing is awesome and my feet are feeling so much better. I hope that all of you found this video very helpful, maybe for a Christmas gift, and I hope you'll check out my other videos, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and comment. Bye.
As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and find me on Instagram for more inspiration and motivation at FaceLife1. Bye!